Raw vegan Nutella. Have you ever tried a Nutella without sugar and without heated fats? Come and try it out. This is the best Nutella you will ever taste, and the healthiest for sure. Our ingredients for the Nutella are hazelnuts, around 250 grams, dates, around 250 grams, carob powder, around 30 to 40 grams, and cacao nibs, as much as you want, maybe a handful, 30 grams. So we will throw the hazelnuts on our pan. If you want to heat them up a little bit, but it's not actually needed, you can do with the raw hazelnuts. But if you heat them just a little bit and keep stirring them, they will become a little bit more like the real recipe, right? Don't roast them, just heat them like a minute and a half, 2 minutes tops, even less than that. They will change the flavor a little bit. And now we are going to take the seeds out of the dates. Put the hazelnuts and the dates in the blender with the cacao powder. Peel the cacao nibs if you need, if they're not peeled yet. Use just a little bit of the cacao nibs into the blender. Don't put them all of them. We're going to use them afterwards. Now add water. At least double the amount of water of the amount of liquids. You're going to probably need around 400 ml of water. But don't add more than 400 ml. First blend, and then we are going to see how much more do we need. Because if the blender is not blending all of it, it's not emulsifying all of it, you are going to need more water. So you're going to add water as much as you need for that time. So keep on adding water as you need it. After blending all of it, make sure the Nutella is pretty well blended. And now we are going to serve it in a glass that has a lid on it, so you can put on the fridge and conserve it for more time. So there you go, you have your beautiful Nutella ready for eating. If you want, put on the fridge for like an hour or two, it will taste even better. So it's pretty easy. If you want, you don't need to heat it up. The heat it up may enhance the flavor a little bit of the nuts, but it's just 2 minutes. But even then, if you don't want it, you don't need it. You can take that part out of the recipe. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to get the notifications on, comment below, and share. The more you do it, the more you comment, Dr. Fruit, anything you want. Even if you already had Nutella, raw Nutella, normal Nutella, if you like it, comment anything so you can help the channel to grow. And don't forget, if you want my help as a nutritionist, I attend patients online or in person. I have 9 books published, 4 recipe books, but they're all in Portuguese still, but they will be soon available in English. If you want the books, comment below. Also, all our 6 online courses will also be available in English, and our raw food retreats, detox retreats, 7 days in a row here in Brazil, Saquarema, Rio de Janeiro. Come to learn the culinary art of raw foods and also the science. Don't forget to watch these videos.